It's Tuesday the 25th of August. You've got Giorgio here and Rudy, Alex and Andrea, and this is the Wolf Village, which has got a bit of an adventure area, rafting as you can see. The weather's so much nicer today. I'll just do a quick 360. Absolutely beautiful. We're heading to the Colle Delle Fauniera and the Colle Delle Sampeyre, which is we're just down the road from Cuneo in the province of Cuneo here in Piemonte. Up ahead is the French border. Demonte is the next little town.
Riding through my first roundabout in Europe, or should I say Italy?
Oh,
Look to your left.
there's nothing coming. A slight climb. We'll be climbing all the time virtually for the next 25k. Didn't take long for the climb to start. I know Rudy's dropped back. Two minutes of flatter road. We're already climbing. It's only 5%. Here's Demonte. We filmed it last night. See the archways. And nice little town. Unfortunately, there's semis coming through. Yeah, he's there with Rudy. That was the shop. All the stuff back there. I can hear him coming. I'm on the footpath. Hello. Come on. I'm glad you worked that out. Let's go. What? Oh, yes. Colle Delle Fauniera. Oh, that's it. Colle Delle Fauniera. Okay, let's go. Switch off.
Top off.
Just got 9 o'clock and it's pretty warm. We're getting sections of 10% and a bit more, but then it eases off. That's the hydroelectric setup there. You can see all through there. Yeah, it's going to be a slog, to say the least. It's
Suffering like a dog anyway in the first part. I mean, it's like freaking.
It hits you hard suddenly, doesn't it?
It's like the hardest part of Greenville Road.
Luckily, I've got 2 more gears to save my butt. I think I'm on a 36.23 at the moment, and that seems to be more than enough. I haven't used anything smaller. Yeah, these nice little sections like this certainly are a very welcome relief. Hopefully we'll both make it. There's Giorgio's van, the kind of scenery we're going through, and yeah, we might as well see, che c'è? Commenti. Okay. Poor old Rudy's having a hard time. Just backache. Other than that, okay. Quite a demanding climb, sort of wondering what are you doing here. I'll have to wait for him in a moment. 12. Oh. Climbing now around 4Ks, I think. Some more switchbacks. We're heading up there. Oh, no switchback here. If it wasn't for this pain in the left side, lower back, I'd be going much better. Yeah, no dramas. Showing 8%. And it feels easy. Where's the switchbacks? Just waiting for Rudy to catch up. He's just here. Bit of a dam. Yeah, keep going up. Yeah. Like I said, we're getting smacked by 12% ramps and then getting some excellent break. 635 meters of climbing in about 15 Ks. Not bad. Won't be long, I think, before we lose the vegetation. Oh, maybe a fair while longer, I don't know, who knows. Our first mini switchback. Get ready. Good, I made a mistake. We've only done about 645, 650 meters in 15 Ks, which is still not bad. Tidy them out.